Narrator. Welcome to this video about ETOPS Operations. ETOPS stands for Extended Range Twin Engine Operational Performance Standards. It refers to the rules and regulations for the operation of aircraft with two engines over areas that are far from potential emergency landing sites. It is also a certification that permits twin-engine aircraft to fly routes that may be 60 minutes flying time from the nearest suitable airport. Today we are going to fly from Istanbul to New York, a route that crosses the Atlantic Ocean. This route requires an ETOPS approval from the authorities, because there are parts of the flight that are more than 60 minutes away from the nearest airport. Narrator. How do you prepare for an ETOPS flight? Pilot. Well, there are several things we have to do before and during the flight. First of all, we have to check the weather and the availability of suitable alternate airports along the route. We have to make sure that we have enough fuel and contingency plans in case of an engine failure or any other emergency. We also have to monitor the performance of the engines and systems throughout the flight and report any anomalies to the air traffic control in our company. Narrator. What are some of the benefits of ETOPS? Pilot. ETOPS allows us to fly more direct and efficient routes, saving time and fuel. It also enables us to serve destinations that are not accessible by other types of aircraft. For example, our Boeing 787 can fly up to 330 minutes away from an alternate airport, which means we can fly over almost any ocean or remote land area. This gives us a competitive advantage over other airlines that use older or less capable aircraft. Narrator. What are some of the challenges of ETOPS? Pilot. ETOPS requires a high level of reliability and safety from both the aircraft and the crew. We have to undergo rigorous training and certification to fly ETOPS flights. We also have to follow strict procedures and regulations that ensure we can handle any situation that may arise during the flight. For example, if we lose an engine over the ocean, we have to divert to the nearest suitable airport within our approved diversion time, which may be hundreds of miles away. We also have to coordinate with the air traffic control and our company to get clearance and assistance for the diversion. Narrator. Thank you for sharing your experience with us. We hope you enjoyed this video about ETOPS operations. Have a safe flight.